Did you know a dirty solar panel can reduce your electricity generation by more than 15%? My rooftop solar system is installed in Fule Malwadi, Maharashtra. It has a capacity of 3.6 kW AC and 3.48 kW DC. On Friday, the panels were dusty. The weather was sunny, but the system generated only 8.6 kWh of energy. That evening, I simply cleaned the panels using normal water. No special tools, just basic cleaning. The next day, Saturday, with the same weather conditions, the system generated 10.1 kWh. That's about a 17% increase in solar power generation in just one day. Conclusion: dust blocks sunlight and reduces panel efficiency. Cleaning your solar panels every 2 to 4 weeks can increase power generation and keep your system performing at its best. Small maintenance, big solar benefits. Follow for more solar tips and solar design learning from CAD Hub Mastery.